What's up, everybody? So we're back again. I'm gonna do a quick install video for you. Shout out to my boys over at Booty Hustler, and also their boys over at NRG hooking me up with some equipment today to get our project Skyline running. As you can see, we got her back together. We're running. If you didn't watch the last video, tore down the car, well, the exhaust side of the car and the turbo side. Swapped the turbo out. We had a blown turbo. Come to find out, we still have some bigger issues, some bigger fish to fry. It's gonna be time. You know, this car needs a refresh. The engine needs a refresh. I still got some blow by, so we were trying to run a catch can, but the catch can didn't really work. But wanted to show you guys what we got going on today. We got these NRG Prisma seats from the wonderful boys over at NRG. Hooked us up. Boys over at Booty Hustlers got us in connection with the NRG boys, so we appreciate them. Appreciate Gary and Josh, you know, everybody over there at Booty Hustlers. So Project Skyline is getting ready to go into effect, and this is probably gonna be my last update, last mod on this car for 2021 and probably for the next 6 months, because I am having a baby. Well, my girlfriend and I were having a baby, and my baby girl is due in 5 weeks. So no more spending money on this piece of junk. I gotta spend money on my kid and take care of my family. But we're not gonna give up on our car dreams. Coilovers are coming for that thing in 2022. I'm gonna put it on my list of things to do. We're doing coilovers, we're slamming it, and gotta repaint the hood, possibly get this thing painted or wrapped. We'll figure that out. Excuse me, we'll figure that out later. But yeah, that's gonna be what we're gonna do. So we got a good project ahead of us. So let me go ahead and back this thing out and get it rocking and rolling. All right, so we're gonna do this shitty ass driver's seat first, because this is what came with the car. It was a Sparco Rev 2, I believe. After I tried to clean it and it ripped. From what I understand, this was at least used to be a really expensive seat, and the weather in Japan was not nice to this car or to the seat, so we're gonna replace it. I was gonna get it reupholstered and keep it because it's a real Sparco seat. Like, it, you know, has the whatever carbon fiber, whatever this material is. I don't know, but it has all the cool, you know, HKS stickers on it and everything, you know, from when the previous owner took it to the tracks and all that stuff. But my African American behind does not fit in this large or medium seat, so we're gonna swap it out with the NRG seats. And first thing you need is a 8mm Allen key set. I got the actual keys, but I'm gonna use this adapter so I can put on my ratchet and get it done real quick. So we'll knock this out and go from there. Alrighty, so literally took maybe 2 minutes. I mean, I'm listening to music, so probably one song, so 2 minutes. Yeah, I got a bottle of coolant back here because I designated this car a shit box, even though people tell me every day how clean my car is and how dope it is and all this and that, because I got a Skyline, and I'm over here just like, yeah, okay. But one thing really sketchy about this car was I got a 4-point harness, and you got 2 points mounted up back here, probably to where the car seat hooks are going. third point mounted here, which is cool. It's anchored in nice and tight. Well, the fourth point, this point that goes over my lap, was mounted to nothing because the seat was right here and this was already right there. It literally was mounted to nothing. So yay, 4-point harness mounted to nothing. So I'm gonna try to figure out how to mount this up and get this on to the new seat bracket. I wish I had seat rails like this, because these are sliding, and unfortunately these don't fit the NRG seat that I'm getting ready to put in there. So yeah, actually I don't know, let me try to see if they actually fit, but we'll see. All right, so we got the seat out, and here's a size comparison. This is the an extra large because I'm 6'2", 240 pounds. But this seat is the one that came out of the Skyline. These are the ones that are going in the Skyline, and they're really great seats. I gotta clean them up here because they've been sitting in the garage for about a week and a half. But I don't know if you can really tell, the camera doesn't do it good justice, but how narrow that seat is versus how wide that seat is. I mean, again, a 40-inch waist, you know, as far as, you know, pants goes. I'm not a fat dude, but I'm 6'2", 240, you know, played football, and I don't fit in that seat. I fit in this seat comfortably. It's the same seat that I have in my Z31 over there, so why not go back with the exact same thing, go with what I know, and a quality company and a quality seat. So this is a size comparison. I low-key, yeah, this seat's not going to fit on that seat rail back there because it's a lot wider. So, but I got brackets for it. We're gonna throw them in and let's go. All right, so this is the seat bracket I got from Planted Racing. See if you guys see that. Planet Industries. I don't know the name of it. What does it say? Planet Seat Bracket Technology. There you go. So it's for R32, 33, 89 to 98 Skyline. It's the driver's side, and it's again same bracket that I have in the Z31 over here. Fits up 8 out of 10, perfect. So let's see if this one fits up 10 out of 10. It's easy, but anytime you get something aftermarket, there's a possibility that they're not going to fit up 100% perfect. So let's install it and then see what happens and go from there. So I got everything installed and got everything installed as far as the bracket goes, but I know it's kind of hard to see because I'm working on my car at night. But I think I made the same mistake the last time too, where I installed the bracket without the seat on it, and honestly, yeah. So we're gonna find a way to make this work and get this all set up, because I didn't even test fit the brackets to see how the brackets fit on the seat. I was just excited, and I did this last time and it took me 2 hours to do it, which I was like, oh, I can do this again and it'll be quick and easy. But you know, I'm an idiot, so yeah, I'm gonna fix it. Well, so ended up having to mock up some holes because the bracket doesn't fit 100% where I want it to. I'm 6'2" and 6'2" and a half, and where it fits is this hole, and this hole will fit, but I sit way too close and I need to sit way back here. So I gotta bolt a hole here and or drill out a hole here and over there, and so I'm gonna bore it out a little bit bigger. But ended up having to go get some dinner because my batteries died in my nice little drill here. But now we're back, so let's do it.